Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering proof of income and recurring obligations. This makes decisions concrete. First, confirm your net paycheck after taxes and deductions, then write it down. Next, identify every fixed cost, rent, utilities, insurance, required loan payments, and total them. Once done, choose an initial savings target, commonly 10% of net pay, and reserve that amount first. Make sure to treat savings as a non-negotiable bill. This flips the mental script from leftover saving to prioritize saving. Now allocate your paycheck across categories so every dollar has a job. Use needs, wants, savings, debt. Try 50/30/20 as a starting guideline, then customize. Track actual variable spending for one pay period, groceries, gas, dining, using envelopes, a budgeting app, or a simple spreadsheet to see reality. After tracking, compare planned versus real amounts and trim 3 non-essential expenses if you miss targets. Once adjusted, reassign those freed dollars to high-impact goals, emergency fund, or high-interest debt. Finish by automating transfers so saving and bill payments happen without thinking. Set them for payday. Then schedule a monthly review to reconcile accounts, account for irregular bills, and update goals when income changes. If you repeatedly overspend, pause discretionary spending immediately, call providers to renegotiate rates, or pick up short-term extra income to bridge the gap. One key troubleshooting tip: when numbers don't match, simplify, reduce categories, lower targets temporarily, and rebuild consistency before increasing complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.